big culture shock since you got here?
Yeah, the Sundays that are quite shocking. I mean, for me, Sunday is IKEA and supermarket and.
What a weird
IKEA.
hobby.
Sorry,
You go to IKEA every fucking Sunday? You're like, fuck these Italian meatballs, the Swedish ones are what I'm looking for.
But in Italy, there is only one day that you can go to IKEA, and like
There's
99%.
one day you can go to IKEA?
Like you go during the week on IKEA, there is no one. Only on Sunday, it's completely packed because people is just going there.
You just
IKEA is
described
so
it.
fun. So you know, it's the opposite for me.
He's getting more Italian as he talks. Like, I tried to respond, he's like, no! You just described to me a situation where there are 6 days of the week you can go to IKEA and be in and out in 5 minutes. And you're like, no, we go all on Sunday. That's our church.